Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we'll be going over is Nowsite's soon to be, if depending on when you're watching this, new prices. So what we're going to be talking about is why or what the prices are going to be and when that's going to happen. So what we're going to do is just dive right into that video right now. And as you can see on my screen, on your screen, that I have a flyer right here, explain everything. I'm going to go into detail about it, what it is. So Nowsite is increasing their prices 20%. And that actually starts on April 16th. So you can still take advantage of this. Today is April 11th. So you do have some time to take advantage of the price, that the current price of what it is at right now. So don't worry. If you want to get in this at that price, don't wait. Click the link below in the description. Get started. If you don't really care about that and the price increase after the 16th, hey, take your time. Make your decision. Go over things. Give me a call. We can talk more about it or text it. Up to you. So, I'm going to go over why and what is going to be the changes is going to be. So, as you can see right here, Nowsite 20% price increase on April 16th. Now, here's the thing. So there's different bundles and different, I guess you can say suite. It's a suite to it. So there's Nowsite Marketing, then there's Nowsite Networking, and then you can actually bundle those up together. So with that, you can actually do it monthly or annually. So we're going to go over each one and what the different prices are compared to then, now, and then, and how you're saving by getting in now. So as you can see right here, we have Nowsite Marketing Monthly, the plans. So the current price is $49.50 a month. You can get locked into that by getting started then. After April 16th, it's going to shoot up to $59.50 a month. That's monthly. So you can do it monthly, month to month. It's no contract, so no cancellation fee. So if you decide that you want to stop or something happened that you don't have time for it right now, you can always just cancel your subscription, your monthly subscription. Now, Nowsite also offers annual subscriptions. So marketing, you can get an annual subscription. That's actually what I am on at $444 for the whole year. This, after the 16th, you can get it'll be $497 for the whole year. So you pay one flat rate for the year. That's it. It's a good deal. I mean, it's not coming out your, going every month. If you're going to be actually using the platform, I do recommend going annual because just for the fact that it makes sense. So it's not reoccurring like that. It's just boom. Every year it'll reoccur. And they'll let you know, hey, you're come up on your annual renewal. And if you are still using it, great. If you're not, you do what you need to do. So that's for Nowsite Marketing. Now, networking, the monthly cost is $49.50 a month currently, and then after the 16th is going to be $59.50. See that current thing, about the same. Just if you go for one or the other, that's also a $10 increase. So that's what I'm saying, guys. So that's monthly, also month to month, no cancellation fees if you decide that you don't want to continue your subscription, and no contract. So that's a plus side on that one. If you're not familiar with what Nowsite Marketing is, feel free to check out some of my videos in the playlist, and on my channel I actually have videos around Nowsite Marketing. Great feature, by the way. Now, they do have an annual plan for networking. So the annual plan is also $444, and then you have it for after April 16th is going to be $497 after the 16th of April 2022. I must express that 2022. So that's what's is going to be. So you can get locked in at $444 for the whole year, and also that's recurring every year, annual, not monthly. So you can also get these bundled up. So you can get both of the platforms, well, I should say both of the services bundled together for an even more discount. So $89.59 a month for both marketing, Nowsite Marketing, and Nowsite Networking. And after April 16th, it'll be $99.50 a month. So it's going up $10 again, but still good for the value for what you're getting. Is very good. 100%. Currently, now that's monthly. Of course, once again, no contracts, no cancellation fees if you ever decide to cancel. I don't think that you would, because I love I get a lot of value of the platform, so I love it. But hey, to each his own. So you can actually get the bundle annually too, as well. Once again, I have it. I have both. I have Nowsite Marketing and Nowsite Networking that I use every day for multiple businesses, and I actually have the bundle. So we're currently right now, before the 16th of April, it is $804. And after that's annual. After April 16th, you're looking at $868. So it's a little bump, but hey, that's for both services. That's marketing and the networking suite, and it works really well. They work hand in hand. So that's lovely. So if you want to know what those are, what they do, feel free to check out some of my older content, my older videos around networking and marketing that gives you more of a breakdown of a detail of what they are, what they do, what they can do for you, and why you would benefit from having these services with your online presence and your online businesses and multiple businesses as well. So that's what the breakdown right now for the prices for the increases for Nowsite Marketing and Nowsite Networking. So you can upgrade your annual plan now and save more. So 44, you're looking at that, and then April 16th, you're looking at like I said, $497. Networking right now is currently $444 as well. Then you can upgrade and get it for $497. Once again, bundle those two together. You're looking at from $804 to $867. Was that the same thing? Yep, $867. So yeah, so that's where we at with that right there. If you have any questions about what's going on, when this goes into effect, 16th of April. But if you still want to talk about it, feel free to contact me. You can text me, you can call me. My number is actually in the description below. You can go ahead, if you want to get started before the increase happens, click the link in the description below, or also click the link in the comments. It's pinned to the top of the comment, the first comment there. So you can click on that link and get started. Go and submit your information to the funnel. That's straight to me using Nowsite. I gotta be a product of the product. But yes, so you can get started and get locked into there. There is, I believe there's a promo code if you want to get a discount off your first month as well. But with that said, guys, if you haven't checked out any videos before, if this is your first time checking out one of my videos, do me a favor. You see that big red button below? Yep, that's the subscribe button. Click that, and right next to it is a little bell. Click that little bell and hit the all, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube is going to send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video. You like this last one, you get some value from it, so you might want to go ahead and check out this one. So yeah, guys, once again, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact me. I answer. I am active on my YouTube channel. I am here to help. If you have somebody that if you're already with Nowsite and you guys got more questions, you can reach out to me too as well. I would recommend reaching out to your sponsor, of course, or your people, whoever recommended you. But I am here for you, the people. So with that said, guys, you guys, I guess, take care, get started, take care, be safe, and until next one, be blessed.